Assalamualaikum everyone. हम यहाँ पे आज इंसिग्निया कैरम वाला स्टोर में हैं एंड वी हैव अ वेरी गुड न्यूज़ फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. आप सबने लास्ट टाइम कितना अच्छा रिस्पांस दिया था हमारी सेल को. वी आर बैक विद आवर सेल बिगर एंड बेटर. लास्ट टाइम आवर सेल वाज अप टू 50% बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम एवर ये इंसिग्निया की आज की बिगेस्ट सेल है विच इन विच वी आर ऑफरिंग अप टू 70% ऑफ. तो 70% ऑफ ऑन योर फेवरेट शूज जिसमें न्यू अराइवल्स भी इंक्लूडेड है. अगर आपको याद हो मैंने बेसिकली बड़े न्यू अराइवल्स दिखाए थे, मैं आपको वो भी दिखाऊंगी जो 70% 50% ऑफ पे है. एंड अनदर गुड न्यूज, इट डज नॉट एंड हियर. वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू एंड इफ यू आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन राइट तो आपको एक गिफ्ट वाउचर भी मिलेगा विद kitchen wedges. And then we have these beautiful coat shoes, neon and this green and yellow. I think ये तो 14 अगस्त के लिए बहुत perfect था. A little too late for that, but still. And then we have yellows in it. And then your everyday black. Oh God, look at this. It's such a beautiful nude as well as black color. So I think it's perfect. And it's on 70% off, guys. It's a steal. Literally loot लेंगे अगर आप लोग इस तरह इस वक्त आके शॉप करेंगे यहाँ से. And then यहाँ पे comfort shoes भी हैं for walking और jogging. एवरीडे पार्क वगैरह के लिए जाना ही है. You know, वैसे स्कूल्स वगैरह के लिए you need comfortable shoes जिसमें you can do everyday run. So we have those as well. And now moving forward, this is our second rack and इसमें we have everything on 50% off. 50 guys, 50 is a huge amount. So we have these fancy जूते as well जिसमें ये diamantes लगे हुए हैं. different colors, red, white, gold, then this multi shade. And then different designs and different colors. And then we have flats. I think flats सबसे ज़्यादा हम लोग शॉप करते हैं. So we have these really nice knotted, yeah, you know वो क्या कहते हैं, knotted सी है finish. And इसके लिए भी दो शेड्स, pink, champagne, and then gold. And then we have these different kind of flats, black and nudes हैं, diamantes की finish के साथ है, metallic finish के साथ है. And then again rope, it's like a rope texture. And then this beautiful neon, मुझे याद है last time भी मैंने दिखाई थी. All of you love these so much. And the best part is these are on 50% off. So 50% is a huge discount, guys. And then we have different articles here as well. ये भी थोड़े fancy mix हैं. And then these are very comfortable ones as well. You know, fancy के साथ they have comfort as well. If you want plain basic comfort shoes, these are so. And I think ये आजकल हर किसी की favorite है. This is the style that everybody is looking for. So these are on 50% off as well. So all of these shoes are on 50% off. Flat 50 ये वाला rack है. And then again this rack, it's also on 50% off. Flat 50% off. Or we are not just have only flats on sale. We have formals as well. This beautiful silver jutta coat shoes with kitten heel. It's on flat 50% as well. आप इनको शादियों में formal dinners वगैरह में पहन सकते हैं. Then we have these sandals which are also on 50% off. And then these gladiator sort of these pearls. I think pearls never go out of fashion. So this is like throughout a vintage slash new one. And then we have these comfort shoes. These are made in Brazil. So our Brazil collection is also on 50% off. 50% off this rack. It includes wedges as well, and then we have these as well with rhinestones and all. And now moving forward, we have another rack that is for flat 50% off. I remember मैंने last time आप लोगों को ये वाले जूते पहनाए थे and I was wearing I think this one as well. And you guys love these. And these are on 50% and that's a steal. 50% definitely is a steal. And second is first time इतनी ज़्यादा sale offer की है, which is a huge bracket for them and for you guys. क्योंकि आपका response बहुत अच्छा था, you guys asked for it and then listened. इसमें we have white in it. If you want white shoes with like you know rope style, so we have different heels as well. Different heels options हैं. किसी में wedge है, किसी में kitten है, किसी में flats हैं. And then we have these in white. You know, white shoes are so hard to find, but this is क्या कहते हैं? At this place you can find any color that you're looking for. They have pinks and they have beige and nudes and browns, and then really nice pastel greens or bright red. So whatever color combination you're looking for, whether it's pastel or bright, Insignia has everything for you. It has very beautiful crystal glossy. So whatever you're looking for, you can find it here. And the best part, 50% off. this rack. To be honest, all of this is 50% off, which is steel. These were my favorite from last time, and it has black as well. It's such a different, basically knots बनी हुई है with the net. So these are 50% off. Can you guess the price of these after sale and before sale? So if you guess it right, so this is your surprise question. कि अगर आप इन जूतों की price before sale और after sale guess करेंगे, you guys will get a gift voucher. So I'm repeating it again. कि अगर आप इस जूते की प्राइस गेस कर लेंगे सेल के साथ और सेल के बगैर, तो आप में से कोई एक लकी विनर एक गिफ्ट वाउचर जीतेगा, जिससे आप यहाँ पे शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं. And then we have these really beautiful metallic heels as well. And if you just look at these shoes, यहाँ पे इस वक्त हमारा fully loaded है, यहाँ पे लोग आके शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं. So आप भी सेल का फ़ायदा उठाएं and just shop here because यहाँ पे लोग fully सेल का फ़ायदा उठा रहे हैं. It's your time to shop as well. So as I've shown you कि already ये सारे जूते out of stock जा रहे हैं. तो अगर आपको अपने sizes चाहिए तो जल्दी से come and grab these. And now these are some formal bridal sort of. These are also on 50%. All of this rack, including the bags upper, are on 50% off. This very beautiful rhinestones and pearls का काम हुआ है. And then we have different colors. इसके अंदर we have pinky, tea pink, and then silver. And then we have these different options. Then we have these metallic shoes as well कि आपको थोड़े formal dinners के लिए, maybe office lunches or university lunch के लिए चाहिए. So we have these as well. And then we have crystals. You know, it's such a Cinderella shoes now. And guys, guess what? It's on 50% off. This rack is flat 50% off. Everything you're seeing here is 50% off. Just look at this. It's such a beautiful formal जूता that I think is perfect for summer weddings. बड़ा breezy सा airy सा है और ये भी बड़ी comfortable है. 80042 Again, these are one of your Facebook favorite jute. Facebook, you guys like these the most, and these are on sale, and not just any kind of sale, 50% off. And these are some of the best sellers. Insignia के two are, and it's also on 50% sale. It's not just stylish, it's not just beautiful, it's comfortable as well, and on sale as well. And then we have different options. यहाँ पे छोटी heels भी हैं, बड़ी heels भी हैं. We have different options going on. Okay, now guys, moving forward. Guys, we are at Insignia MM Alam, just in case you guys are asking. We have comments भी आपके साथ साथ पढ़े. If you guys have any questions, you can ask. ये हम Insignia MM Alam पे हैं, but ये discount is on website as well as all their branches. Whether it's Lahore में Y-Block, Link Road, MM Alam, या even Gujranwala and other cities that they have their outlets in, and on their site. So you can order online or through their stores, and everywhere it's on off. So all of this rack is on 50% off as well, including these clutches. The beautiful clutches. I think these are perfect for bridal season. It's spacious, it's beautiful. You know, to hold all your salamis. So yeah. And then we have these coaches with bed sheet, comfort and style. And then काफी लोगों को flats चाहिए होती हैं और formals चाहिए होती हैं. And then moving forward, we have this beautiful range of clutches. All of this is on 20% off. You can have a look at all these clutches. Size, छोटे size and बड़े size and fancy and metallic and glitter. Everything is on 20% off over this rack. And then moving forward, as you guys love our bags are also on sale and a big discount of 20%. So to avail the discount, you can shop online or in stores at 20% off all these bags. And then we have these clutches. These are like your everyday clutches to your formal dinner clutches. These are also on 20% off. And these are available right now, so grab them while you can before they run out of stock. Because sale की वजह से we have a lot of orders coming in, so grab all these. And now guys, all of your favorite shoes which are just launched, like these beautiful black babies or these hot pink shoes. All of these are on 10% off. These are just in shoes and these are on 10% off. And you know, there's something really beautiful about this one. It's acrylic, and then it has all these diamantes and a big diamond in the middle. And all of these new arrivals just in collection is on 10% off flat. All of these beautiful. And just look at this one. It's such a beautiful and delicate and pretty juta with rhinestones. And you know, rhinestones utarte bhi nahi. The best part about them is that they don't get shipped off. जिस तरह diamantes अक्सर हो जाते हैं. So it's on flat 10% off. And then we have another color option as well. Your basic black. You can never have enough black jute. And then we have these. A basic bow with diamante. And then some of these for your bridal collection, to add in your bridal collection. We have these really beautiful diamantes and rhinestone ke jute. And then this acrylic, but it has a bracelet, diamantes cover going on, and it's flat. So if you're tall and you're uncomfortable wearing heels, or in general you're not comfortable in heels, so I have a flat formals there, which are on 10% off. New arrival just in, and 10% off. So now moving forward, we have all these beautiful. I think this is something that goes with everything. And it's also on sale, guys. 10% off flat on new arrival just in. And then just look at these feather shoes with rhinestone detailing. Like, isn't it something really different and new? I think it's like a must-have. I have a statement piece. You know, even if you're wearing a solid kurta trouser or basic jeans, and then you wear these, so you have to look. They just bring it from 5 to 10 directly. The statement, they are definitely something you need. And then these clutches. These clutches are priced only on 20% off. So buy them before they run out. We have different color options. And then these I think everybody's wearing these shoes these days. So this is a must-have as well. On 10% off. In a color option, we have it's basically a net juta with chain ki detailing. And then moving forward, these are our most rated articles on Facebook. So you guys love them. और हमने कंजूसी बिल्कुल भी नहीं की. Even your most favorite articles, which we know you love, are on 10% off. So इनमें से कोई ऐसा आर्टिकल नहीं है इसमें कोई ऑफ भी नहीं है. आपके फेवरेट से फेवरेट तरीन आर्टिकल्स are on off. Look at this. I think it's a beautiful everyday heel. If you like to wear heel every day, this is definitely something you need in your wardrobe. And then you have this beautiful jeans type pattern with mustard color option as well. And then we have another chain with kitten theme. It has different colors, like different color options, metallic silver or metallic gold. And then really light matte acrylic jute. I think this is the first I have seen these shoes. I have not seen these before. And guys, just look, these are going out of stock. People are buying it. So just come and join us before they run out of stock. So people are shopping here and the stock is running out quickly. So if you need anything for your wardrobe, is black, white, or metallic, formal, flats, everything is on off at Insignia. So buy these. All these flats are on 10% off. And then flats, you ask for 10%. Flats every day, sandals may home. Look at this beautiful option. This makes palm tree here. We have the starfish. All of these are on off. Flats 10% off. Whether it's Kolhapuri, your traditional Kolhapuri, your basic everyday flats, your fancy flats. All of these are on 10% off. And guys, also I'm wearing these Insignia के latest collection के coat shoes, and it has open back. You know, मुझे मसला होता है कि मेरे पीछे से ना लग रहा है. So it has open back and it's on 10% off, and it's from latest collection of Insignia, and it's so comfortable that I can literally move around in these very comfortably. All of these heels are on 10% off. Now moving forward, we have these wedges. We all know that there are people who look for comfort and style. So और इसके इसमें कंफर्ट भी है और स्टाइल भी है. We have the studs detailing and then metallic option and matte option. We have all these options and all of these are utility errands. I think these are perfect for you every time. These look stylish and pretty and comfortable. All of these are on 10% off. And then we have these are Brazilian collection, which is on 10% off as well. So just have a look at our new arrivals at flat 10% off. All of these are our new arrivals on 10% off. Moving forward, please do not forget our men followership, and we have a flat amazing 50% off on all our shoes, synthetic and original leathers. So all of these formals, including everyday wear or chappals, are sandals are on 50% off. So if you want to have black, maroon, brown, any juta, it's on flat 50% off. It's a steel, guys. Grab it. And not to forget, your question for the giveaway is to guess the price of this shoes. What's the price of this shoes before sale and after sale? Because मैंने इसके बताया था इसमें कितनी sale है, इसमें 50% off है, so you can guess the price. And now lastly, you can go right and all of their flagship stores in Lahore, Karachi, and Gujranwala, so you can shop anywhere you want. And thank you so much for joining us. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope to see you guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.